Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have JLab JBuds Mini headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your Android device. At first we have to enter settings and now we have to enter connect devices. Here we have to tap pair any device and now we have to open our caselet like now, and the best option is to take them out of the case like I did now. Let's disable Bluetooth and enable it back to make sure that we can work. Turn off Bluetooth and turn it on. Now pair new device, and here we'll see our headphones. JLab JBuds Mini, we have to tap on them and pair. Now we are paired. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.